Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2019 Ford F-350 in an XLT trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Also coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and coming with a bit of a lift installed, as you might be able to tell. Does also have a hardtop tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have spacious and comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, and reveal your collapsible storage box underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here for added security. And in the middle you have two cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet. Looking into the front, this vehicle does have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat and power adjustable pedals. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 59,224 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, fuel economy, fuel history, compass. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and display mode, where you can look at things such as your distance to empty, diff gauge, diff status, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, and transmission temperature. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your truck. Shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, your traction control shutoff, your hazards, and your hill descent assist. Moving down, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Moving down below, you have another 12-volt with two USBs and a little shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears with your tow haul mode button at the end of the stock. Then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath that, with some flip out cup holders like so, and plenty of room inside, so you can have some drinks while this seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.